Tensions remain high in Minneapolis in the United States after a video surfaced showing a federal immigration agent shooting a woman to death. On Thursday, officers used pepper balls to break up protests near the scene, appearing to target one demonstrator in particular. The victim was a 37-year-old American woman. Now, the shooting came a day after nearly 2,000 federal agents were deployed to the area as part of President Donald Trump's expanded immigration enforcement. The operation has sparked protests and growing tensions between state and federal leaders. And over in Venezuela, Senate lawmakers have advanced a resolution to limit future U.S. military action without congressional approval. On Thursday, 5 Republicans joined Democrats to allow a final vote on curbing the president's war powers. The vote comes just days after U.S. forces carried out an overnight raid in Caracas, in which Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro and his wife were captured and brought to the United States, where they now face federal charges. The measure is expected to pass the Senate next week, but would still face amendments and a House vote later this month. And those were the top international stories. I'm Aliyah Bryant.